Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn simple sentences using the question word who, which I listed all the question words in previous videos. Please refer them, please subscribe and refer them. And then sentences using yesterday in Kannada. So I mentioned how to mention days in Kannada in last video. So continuing with that, I am using yesterday in Kannada. How to use that in sentences. So sentences using yaru, that is who in Kannada. Who are you? Neevu yaru. So neevu yaru. Who came? Yaru bandaru. Bandaru meaning who came. For ba is come in Kannada. So who came? That is yaru bandaru. Who are they? Avaru yaru? Who is he? Avanu yaru? So this nu comes for boy. Who is she? Avalu yaru? Lu comes for girl. Who is this? Ivaru yaru? Ivaru is the person who is standing near to you. Then this is ivaru will be used. Children who came late, come here. Late meaning tadavagi. Children meaning ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So come ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Plural ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Who can come early tomorrow? ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? So early meaning ಬೇಗ. Come ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. Since we are making question word, we are making question using come. So it will become ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? Now let us see how to use ನಿನ್ನೆ in Kannada sentences. ನಿನ್ನೆ meaning yesterday. I came yesterday. So this is about myself I am talking. Then ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಬಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. Both you can use. I came yesterday. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ or ಬಂದೆ. He came yesterday. Now I am talking about second person. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಅವನು we need to use for boy. ಬಂದಿದ್ದ or ಬಂದಿದ್ದನು. Again nu is for boy. ಅವನು ದನು. So these two will be used for boy. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದನು. He came yesterday. She came yesterday. ಅವಳು. So ಅವನು will change to ಅವಳು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಳು. So ಬಂದಿದ್ದಳು. This lu here and lu here. Both will be lu. They came yesterday. ಅವರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. So ಅವರು and ru. Both here also ending with ru. This is for third person. He or she is second person. I is first person. They is third person. Okay. So this is how it will change. I went yesterday. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. This you can use ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಊರು means place, different place. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. Movie. So if you are talking about movie, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. So you can use anything over here. So this is a generic sentence I am giving. I went yesterday. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. He went yesterday. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದನು or ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. Both are okay. Only for boy. ಅವನು ದನು. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದನು. So that will come in case of boy. She went yesterday. ಅವಳು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಳು. So here also lu, here also lu. They went yesterday. ಅವರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದರು. Okay. So again first person, second person and third person. How to use for three people in Kannada for ನಿನ್ನೆ. Okay. Okay, now we will see how to use do word, that is madu, for first person, second person and third person, and what suffix we need to add and what are the tenses. So in this video I am going to explain only for present tense for all three persons, like first person, second person and third person. So in this slide I am showing you how to attach suffix, what suffix we need to attach for ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So if I am talking about myself and ourselves, we need to add ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So you can see now here, ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am eating. So in Kannada we say ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So suffix we are attaching is ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾಡು is the word and ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ is the suffix, and tense is present tense. And for ನಾವು we are eating, ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, and suffix we are attaching is ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. And for the present tense, we will see in this slide I am explaining for second person and third person. So if the second person is a boy, so he, avanu, so we have to say avanu in Kannada. He is eating, avanu ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So suffix we are attaching is ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So last avanu here and ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ in the end. This is for boy, that is masculine gender. And for feminine gender, for a female, we need to say avalu. She is eating. ಅವಳು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. So ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ is a suffix we need to add for the present tense. So and for third person, ಅವರು. So ಅವರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They are eating. So we have to add a suffix ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you can see now the suffixes which we are adding ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this can be used for second person also if the elder person is there. If we are using with respect, this ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ can be used for second person also. ಅವರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Instead of he is eating, we have to say ಅವರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that will be same for female and male both. So ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ is with respect. ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ and ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, while friendly talk we can use this suffix. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And in this video you are going to learn a lot of things, and wait for my next video for the present tense I explained in this. In the next slide I am going to explain about past tense for first person, second person and third person, how to use different type of verbs. Thank you.